Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another perfume review video. My name is Naz. This is my channel, the King of Hidden Gems. I try to bring to your attention fragrances are usually very good value for money. They smell good. They're usually under the radar. Not many people talk about them. I think at least you should do your research, try them for yourself and see if they're any good to you. So in this video I have another unboxing at first impression for you, and this is the brand Axis. Brand Axis is a subsidiary or belong to the perfume shop in the UK. There is a shop in the United Kingdom that is called the Perfume Shop, and they sell this one. I think this is their own brand, or they own it, or they are affiliated with it, something in that vein. And I unboxed and reviewed many of this brand fragrances, Axis, and for a price they are quite good. Okay, so they're not, very high quality, or they are not groundbreaking, they're not artistic, they're quite simplistic, but for what they do they are quite good, especially for a price under £20. So this one is called Axis Signature Man. Axis Signature Man, and is Eau de Toilette, is 100 ml. In United Kingdom you can find it under £20. In other parts of the world you have to research it, see if it's coming up, and if it comes up how much it goes for. It's in United Kingdom is only available from the shop, as I mentioned before, the Perfume Shop. So but before I do the unboxing, please, if you like what I do, if you find it useful, informative, valuable or entertaining, don't forget to hit those buttons. This way you help me, you encourage me, you motivate me to bring you fragrances like this in future that nobody else is talking about. They're amazing value for money, they smell great, and they are hidden gems. Your support will take this channel a long way. As you know, many channels stop making videos because this endeavor, this hobby, this whatever you want to call it, is very expensive and eventually will catch up with you. So if you want me to carry on and survive and make more videos in future, please don't forget to hit those buttons. Thank you for your likes, thank you for your comments, thank you for your subscription, which is free, thank you for sharing this video with others, and thank you for inviting me to a coffee. If you want to do that, I leave in the link how you can do that. And if you want to purchase one of my own perfumes, I'm a perfumer myself. This way you can purchase one of my own perfumes and help me and get something very beautiful in return. You could do that as well. I leave them in the link, but you need to live in the United Kingdom in order to purchase them, because I cannot post it anywhere else, unfortunately. And they are super artistic, ultra beast mode, 100% natural, amazing value for money. They smell great, they are very mysterious, they are unique, they are artistic, they are like time capsules. They take you different places, different times. Again, I'll leave them in the link. Thank you very much as always, and let's go. So simple box as always with Axis, but it does the job perfectly, which is protecting the bottle. And here we go. The bottling, again, they all look the same but different coloring. And this one says Signature by Axis, and this is dark blue to purple. The coloring is about, I think, dark blue to purple. So the bottle itself is minimalistic, is simplistic, but we don't wear the bottle, we wear the perfume. The perfume is the most important thing inside. The cap is quite weight to it, and it says Axis on top, and it's plastic but it's quite weighty. The atomizer is gold, and here we go. Very good atomizer, surprisingly, especially for a price under £20. It's quite surprising how good the atomizer is. It goes psh. It's not pressurized, but it is almost there, it's just very good atomizer. So how is the smell for this beauty? Here we go. First sniff, first impression. They done it again. So this one is again very fresh, very refreshing, very inviting, very easygoing, very crowd pleasing, very quite sweet, very citrusy, and is very fresh and friendly. I can smell some mintiness in here. I can smell grapefruit, and also very woody in the base. The base is very clean. Again, overall this is quite a clean fragrance. The base is mainly cedar, maybe a little of sandalwood to making it smoother, and the mid is dominated by aromatics, probably lavender in here as well, to making it very, very aromatic. I smell some spicy tinge to it, little bit of cinnamon, tiny bit of ginger in here, and also a little bit of incense to just making it interesting, but it's not a huge player by any means, just a hint of it to make it more interesting. Yeah, the mid is not only is aromatic, it's very floral as well. I can smell something like a white floral, like a probably is jasmine in here, maybe it's a little bit of rose in here as well, to making it again the very soft and balance everything together. So the mid is dominated by not only the aromatics but the florals as well. Yeah, a tiny bit of greenness, tiny bit of grassiness to it as well, and also overall it's quite ambery, but the amber is in here is very fluffy, is very light, is very bright, is not none of those deep dense amber. The smell is very familiar, and yes, it immediately took me to Bleu de Chanel. So it's very, very similar to Bleu de Chanel. I would say around 90+% similarity to it, is almost identical. It's just the second it opened up like a Bleu de Chanel. Yeah, a little bit of peppery to it, a little bit of spicy hint to it. Probably is a little bit of cardamom in here to give it a little bit of that sensual body of the incense, plus the cardamom, plus the little bit of cinnamon in here to give it a little bit of more depth. But it's not too deep in terms of the the spices. Definitely very refreshing in the beginning. At the moment I smell at least lemon, I smell some bergamot, I smell a little bit of grapefruit, so it's very, very zesty, it's very it's quite minty, and it's very, very refreshing. So if you like Bleu de Chanel under 20 quid, this is for you. Very, very similar, especially to EDT, the original. It just immediately opened up, it took me there, and it's super similar to it's just scary how similar it is. And in terms of quality, is not bad at all. Under 20 quid for such a good quality. It doesn't smell harsh, it doesn't smell chemical, it smells quite nice and rounded, smells quite good perfumery in here, good ingredients for the price. Obviously Bleu de Chanel for 100 ml is over £100, and this is under £20. You do the math. Obviously it's not as good quality as Bleu de Chanel, and also we have to wait and see how is the performance. Usually with this line the performance are on the medium side, but even if you get 5-6 hours, I'm happy with under £20 for very realistic, very, very close, very almost photo what do you call it, photogenic copy of Bleu de Chanel. It's so scary. If someone sprayed this on me and said, what is this, I would say Bleu de Chanel, no problem. It's just immediately, you know, without even hesitation, it's so close to it. Okay, so if you like Bleu de Chanel, you will love this. This is very refreshing. Obviously this is the universally paleted you know, perfume in here, so anybody from 15 to 100 can wear it. In terms of season, it's better suited for warmer weather, obviously, because Bleu de Chanel is the same genre. This is very, very refreshing, very fresh, very refreshing, very friendly, very happy perfume overall. And in terms of occasion, Swiss Army now. If you can dress it up, dress it down, day, night, formal, informal, casual, special, anything you want. And in terms of sex, obviously, is leaning a little bit on the masculine side, because it reminds you of Bleu de Chanel, which is quite masculine. But if you like this kind of fragrance, it doesn't mean anything. Even if you're a lady, you can wear it easily. It's just a very friendly DNA in here. Overall, for a first impression, yes, yes, yes. But as always, we have to wait and see for the performance. If the performance is medium to good, then we have a banger on our hand. And for the first impression, obviously Bleu de Chanel is very, very popular and is very you know, crowd pleasing, is very friendly and almost universally liked, and not many people will dislike this DNA anyway. That includes me. For the under £20, I'm loving it. You know, Bleu de Chanel over £100, I think it's a bit of a stretch, but here and also been reformulated and blah blah blah. And here under 20, you don't break the bank. It's affordable, is accessible, is very, very you know, price friendly, so you can go heavy on the trigger if you need to. You can use it anywhere you want to. Okay guys, if you have it, if you know it, if you tried it, let us know your experience. That would be useful for others to read. If you like what I do, if you find it useful, informative, valuable, or entertaining, don't forget to hit those buttons. This way help me, encourage me, motivate me to bring you fragrances like this in future that nobody else is talking about. They're amazing value for money, they smell great, and they are hidden gems. If you want to purchase one of my own perfumes, I'll leave the link in there as well, and you need to be in United Kingdom to, you know, to purchase them. They are out of this world, ultra beast mode, 100% natural, amazing value for money. They are super, what you get, what you pay in terms of ratio is super, super high. It's one of the best quality in the world, but you can only buy it from me. They are very unique, very artistic, very, very mysterious fragrances. I leave them in the link. Thank you very much, and I'll see you later. Bye bye bye.